Alright, what's up YouTube? Back at it again with another video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We're at the Clissy's Customs. I got Mitch right here. He just handed me something. Alright, he made these right here. Oh, look at that. Clissy's Customs stickers. ProCam stickers, dude.
I personally didn't make them, but a guy I know, but this company right here.
Yeah. Shout out to them.
I DM'd him last week.
I'll just probably tag it in the description.
Yeah,
probably his Instagram or something. Just
dude, he made those. He sent them. He was like, all right, when do you want to pick them up? But literally like 2 hours later.
Dude, that's sick.
Dude, he was like, all right, send me a design of what you want. And I was like, dude, make it something fucking sick. I've seen your stickers before, so he fucking made it sick.
Dude, that's dope. I'm gonna save them. These are both going on my next car for sure. So what's going on today, Mitch?
Today, this has to get pulled out of the garage. I want to bleed the brakes so that we have brakes. Pull it out of the garage, park it out there for the night, and really
clean it.
Mainly just focus on cleaning and organizing, because next week we have a fuck ton of shit going on.
Yeah.
So I got my tax returns back, sent my flywheel out to get machined. I bought a new clutch. I got my head gasket. I got new fuel lines. I'm going to pick up the head this week sometime. All this week I'm getting all the parts, so that all we got to do is now just throw it in, dude. And then hopefully by maybe a week and a half from now, we'll be able to turn key and just at least start it.
Then we fine tune it.
Yeah.
And make it all quality.
Yeah. And then I'm figuring once we get the motor training and it runs, I'll buy all this shit for the exhaust so you can weld that.
Okay.
While me and David wire up the meth injection and all the gauges.
Get that. Oh, I forgot about the meth kit. So we'll have this car running very, very soon. So. Oh my God.
Then I'm returning my old pressure plate from last week, and then they're giving me, wow, that hurt my head. They're giving me like a store credit, so I'm gonna order 2 rockers. And we're gonna weld that on.
Oh, that's so cool.
So it's.
We were just looking over the video that is about to go. Actually, it already is up when you guys are watching this Funny Moments video.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna get started. We have to put this. So what's the first step here?
We're gonna try bleeding out the brakes if I have enough brake fluid.
Okay.
So that we can push it out with brakes.
Yeah.
I mean, even not, we still have the handbrake.
We have the handbrake, yeah.
Dude, this garage is disgusting.
Yeah, I was about to say we should clean this garage. Let's just get all this shit done right now.
Well, and plus when I pull the car out, I want to push it back more so we have enough room to, so we don't have to open the garage when we put the motor.
All right, yeah, that sounds good. Maybe we can angle it like we did at the old place.
Yeah, we.
If you want to,
or
that would help.
Straight like angle like that.
Yeah, straight, a little bit of. We don't need too much, but some angle at least.
And then once we get it running, we'll pull it out.
Yeah, exactly. First step is to do the brakes.
Yeah, I honestly don't even know. If
just enough to stop it, maybe. Then we got to get this on wheels and out. Then we get to finally clean it. How's this? It's good. So that's all done. We just finished up messing with the brakes. They leak a little bit, but we're gonna worry about that later. And now we're gonna get the tires. Get the. Yeah, probably. Yeah, they are. They're a little squishy, dude. Oh, shit. Alright, it's good enough for now. We're just gonna put it on the tires and roll it outside, and then we're gonna start cleaning everything. It's gonna be cold. Fucking juice them on, brother. NASCAR! Oh, fuck. Alright, he just tapped up the... Yeah, fuck it, dude. He put up the side skirt. It's on wheels, now we just have to put it on the ground.
We're gonna pull those lines out.
Oh, and the lines, yeah. The exhaust. Ow! My ass is fucking hot, dude. Ow! Oh. It was a lot hotter than I thought.
Damn it, me stop it, sick ass!
Yeah, the exhaust is on the ground still. Can we like tuck it up with like a hanger or something? Like a bungee cord?
I have ratchet straps on the shelf.
I mean, do you think it probably will be in the way?
I don't know if it'll work, but...
So, holy shit, here we go again. Our solution to fixing the exhaust from being on the ground is using a ratchet strap, which, hey, it works. I literally can't walk at all. Now you're trying to put it on the ground now, right?
Yeah, all this side.
Sick, dude.
Ready for the fucking gangster lean?
The gangster lean? We haven't seen this on the ground in forever, dude.
Look how much dust is on the fucking... shit.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Damn.
This is sketchy as fuck.
Oh my god, dude. Oh.
It still's going down? Yo, we be out here, you know, we be fucking doing the dumb shit.
All right. The camera doesn't even show how much angle. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Boom! Yeah, it's off the stand over here.
Is it?
And in the rear.
What the fuck is it on? Holy shit.
Yeah, like that stand I can take out. Whoa.
That's so bad, dude. It's just gonna drop.
Alright, ready? Ready for some stance game?
Stance, hella stance, boy.
I don't like that.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh.
This is kind of like stupid low.
Oh. That's crazy, dude. I haven't seen this. Oh my god, it's so low. Holy shit, dude.
Oh, that's very flat as fuck.
Yeah. That's so low, dude. We can see over the car. Oh, it's gonna get cold. All right, we're gonna move the car outside real quick. You wanted to put the hood on?
Yeah.
Okay. It's going right here.
Look at it from right up here.
Dude.
I went on my bumper.
Sick. No bumper. It's out. It's out of the garage.
Dude, look at the dust.
Holy shit. All the dust on the ground. It's so bad. We haven't cleaned this in forever.
I'll give it a snap.
The intercooler.
Dude, look at look from the front and you look at the hood and literally the whole hood line
Oh my
is
god.
intercooler.
That is sick. All right, Mitch and I are gonna run to Timmy's there, bud. Go back to Canada. Eh?
Hey,
Yeah.
just got some done.
Sorry guys, I completely forgot to record because I was driving. We got some Timmy's there, bud. I'm back to oh, I almost tripped over that shit. Damn.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Oh my god, big ass empty garage. It looks so big
Dude,
now.
This garage is like completely different.
God
than what it was like
damn. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, we gotta get cleaning, but I'll get the broom. But you still, it's fucking surprising me how big this fucking garage is, dude. It's so much room.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna angle the car.
Yeah, it kind of like this in here. This way we could pop the motor in when it's fucking snowing for some reason and I don't know. I can look it up, see if it's gonna snow on Friday. I'll start sweeping shit, get it all in a pile, then we can... Is it gonna snow Friday? Yeah, all right, that's a good thing. We angle this. Make some room in the back there, and maybe we can fucking push it back as far as we possibly can, and then we have the most amount of room here to fit the cherry picker and the motor. What is that?
Car soap.
Is it frozen? Yeah. We have some people here.
How the fuck
Hola,
did you
guys.
just unlock my phone with your face?
Did you just unlock his phone?
I guess.
No phone. Apple, we gotta report. Hang on. We gotta retry this. Uh-oh.
Do it now, lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should. Right now, lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my
Mitch, I have so many questions. Little update, we're still cleaning. We just swept and cleaned the garbage, and now we're gonna put together the cherry picker so it's out of the way and we could shove it somewhere, and then we're gonna back the car in on an angle so we have room. Then it's gonna be all good for next week. Are we putting it in next week? Oh yeah, Friday. So Friday we're going, so there might be a bonus episode. So the garage, yeah.
The garage.
This garage is so clean that we can fit a turbo Cavalier in here. Now we're gonna pull in the car and get this all situated. Uh-oh.
Fuck it. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's done.
Is it? I'm gonna pull this in real quick. Hell yeah, dude. This is real nice. So we got the car in the garage. There's plenty of room to put the motor in. Yeah, that's perfect. We have just enough room to fit back here and grab some shit from this side or that side and fucking... Are those frozen?
Yeah, it's frozen at the bottom.
Oh my god.
The frame is 6 inches off the ground.
6 inches your subframe? God damn, that is low.
If you sit in the back, my rear wheel will tuck in that fucking fender or in the wheel well.
Yeah.
When me, it was what?
It tucks.
Who was sitting in the
Austin.
back? Yeah, Austin and someone else were sitting in the back.
Probably
and it was
David.
in my fucking wheel well.
I think it was David. He was on the trunk or something. We're also standing on this here, and it made that go down when
A
it...
lot.
Yeah, but we're gonna have the motor in here when
On Friday.
Yeah.
Motor training, then it'll tell us what.
it show really how it sits. I'm just stripping the wires free because we accidentally ripped it off here when we were backing up the car. So this is, what are these again? The
Coolant temp.
Coolant temp.
Gauge and then the horn.
and the horn? Oh, yeah, we only need one of them then, the coolant temp. So I'm just exposing them all, and then we'll just wire them all back up.
Yeah.
And we're call it a day. Then we're gonna actually start prepping the motor, not the motor, the engine bay here, and get it ready to put the motor in. Probably put the car back on jacks and stuff.
Yeah, probably later tonight. So
Later tonight,
Friday
yeah.
we can come here, put the clutch and training on.
And just plop her right in. So that'd be cool. Went in April 1st, the motor last year.
So that's what fucked us.
Yeah.
Lesson learned, don't put a car together during April Fools.
Because it's a fucking...
Dude, I thought Tony, your fucking face, I thought that was
Oh,
Tony, like,
yeah. That's why it blew up. It makes sense.
now.
That's probably why we had so many problems putting the motor in. Well, we're definitely going to have some problems this year, too. It's never going to be
It's
fucking...
never gonna be popping in fucking.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot easier because we did a lot of
Yeah,
fabricating.
the only thing really we'll
already.
have to figure out once the motor's in and the turbo is the lower intercooler piping. Because instead
Yeah.
of going this way,
That was a
now it's
struggle
going
last
this
year.
way.
So,
You hear this shit, right? I'm hearing like doors and shit open.
he's losing it, I swear. He's drunk or high. I can't tell the difference anymore. He's just
No, okay, so I
fucking
just
shocked.
I heard that door open.
Yeah.
There's no one out there, but the lights are on.
Hello? Oh yeah, the light is on. The fuck? I didn't hear shit, dude.
She's not home yet.
Yeah. Car is going up in the air again. Gonna get it on jacks. We're gonna just figure out this situation. Actually, it's not bad. You got all the wires away. We'll figure it out. Anyways.
Just been high enough to fit the picker in.
Yeah. We've been just sitting around talking and just messing. We just got it all prepped and ready. It's on jacks. I think I recorded that already. So I'm just gonna end the video here. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers this year. So that'd be lit if we can hit it.
Oh, yeah.
Next week we're going to be putting in the actually not next week. Friday.
Yeah, here's the plan. So Friday, which would be like probably a bonus video for you.
Yeah,
guys.
it'll be sometime.
I'm getting all my parts in like this week. So
Yep.
Friday, I'll have all the shit in. We're gonna put the motor, clutch. We're gonna put that on. We're gonna put the tranny on. Put the motor in the car, and then probably video after that. I'm gonna put the head on, and
That'd be
then
Monday,
I got
yeah.
the fuel lines. So maybe Friday we can put the fuel lines on, and then I can run all the fuel pressure regulator and all that shit. So
Yeah.
we can do all that, get it all plumbed. That way we can just put the head and the turbo on, and then turn the key and see if it starts.
Oh yeah, dude.
If we can
Yeah.
drive this by by 2 weeks.
2 weeks from now, yeah.
That would be fucking
Roughly
awesome.
2-3 weeks max. Fucking, we at least take it down the street and back here, just to get through the gears and stuff, like
Yeah,
you said.
well, because and then I got a break in the clutch, so then when I go to get
Yeah.
to it, I'll get a base map on it.
Yeah.
If this blows up, I will definitely be getting another fun ass car.
Fucking, I will too. I'll have my next car. We'll do little things to that, make videos
Yeah.
about it. We'll always have videos coming out, something cool.
Because yeah, if this blows up, I'll probably.
Which another
So
project.
if this does blow up, probably next winter I won't get a car, but that following spring I'll probably get a car. I either want like an old Monte Carlo or like a
Well, you already have one.
yeah, like an 04 to 07 like STI or WRX, and
Yeah.
then we could fuck around with that a little.
Fuck yeah, dude.
And then if you guys like those stickers, and if you want,
Oh yeah.
want some, we can always start like a little like website where we can,
Shopify,
yeah,
something.
we could do
Amazon,
something.
we could sell it on.
Yeah,
Amazon.
oh, can we?
But if you guys did want to buy these stickers, we could always make more and continue doing it. So if you guys want stickers, just leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment down below.
And then,
fucking description.
We could like make hoodies or something. I do have a hoodie that
Eventually, yeah, we could start doing
we
that.
could do that design that I have on my hoodie.
Fuck it, the Clitsy's custom. That's
Yeah.
so cool, and have like ProCam like somewhere on the
Yeah,
side. or
we
on
could
the
always
back.
do like that design.
Yeah,
Buy merch, 'cause
I had a couple people actually comment like, "Oh, yo, I would buy a sticker. Oh, yo, I would buy this or this." So I have a couple people that would actually purchase some stuff from
Because
us.
all that money would go right back into the channel.
Yeah, and of course we're gonna be buying our own stuff because
Yeah.
it would be cool. They have our own merch.
Do like a giveaway or something. Like once
Oh,
we hit
about that.
yeah.
Hang on. Anyways, guys, I completely forgot I didn't end it. I just left right now. We were just talking away. So if you guys haven't liked it again, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.